Today, I'm going to show you how to get an auto clicker for iPhone in 2025. With this auto clicker for iOS and Android, you can automatically tap on any app, and it works on all iOS versions and Android. So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn exactly how to get the auto clicker for iPhone or Android in 2025. Yes, this works on both platforms. I'll demonstrate on my Android, but don't worry. The process is almost identical on iOS. First of all, you need to make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the setting and see if there's any update available for your iPhone. If not, then you are good to go. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Auto Clicker. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.